Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to another review video on the channel. And today we are going to review this plugin of WordPress which is called TextConnector, which is going to be launched on I think in a couple of days, so maybe 14th or 15th. I think it's on 15th. So the TextConnector is a plugin for WordPress website. Now we're going to talk about how this actually going to increase conversion on your website. So make sure you stick till the end and do subscribe to the channel. And let's understand the technical part of this this plugin, this website first. So it says that turn any local business website into a sales generating machine using this powerful and easy to set up WordPress plugin. So whether you get sales or not, that's a different thing altogether, but this will actually help you to interact with your customers directly over SMS or phone, text messages. Because if you are a normal website owner, so if somebody visits your website, the maximum you will have on the website is your email address, a contact form, or you will have a chat, a live chat, okay? But this plugin actually helps you to get text messages, get a conversation through text message. So for example, if they click on something, this plugin will show a message on your website, and once they click on the message, they will have the option to send you a text. So we'll see everything step by step in a moment. Let's first of all go through some features here. So it says no experience required, no hard selling, no cold calling. It's just simply a text feature. And then it says they started this 3 years ago and all that. We will show you a video actually how this works, and then we'll talk about in details. So it's a 3-step process. And first of all, what you need to do is just get this plugin installed into your WordPress website. You have to follow the steps from your IT person, or you can do it on your own. It's not that technical. So you go to the WordPress thing and you click on plugin and add plugin, and that's how you can install this plugin. Step 2 is just configure some settings. So here you can see you can put in your phone number, okay? So this will be your phone number where you will get the replies. And then this is the display message here. So you can change your custom greetings. You can change your custom display message for your website. And step 3 is potential customers click a button to ask a question and start communicating directly with you, okay? So this is how it looks like. They will see your custom display message on your website right here. And once they tap on this message, you will receive the text from them. And then once you get the text from them, that means you got their phone number. So once you got their phone number, you got a lead. So once you got a lead, then you can reply to that text message, and then you can have a personal communication between you and between your customer, okay? So this is what was missing so far if you were not communicating over the text messages, because customers will not share the message directly if you ask them. But this plugin actually helps you to get their phone number indirectly, because eventually if they have to click on your display message on the website and they click on the send button, so technically you get their phone number, and then you start communicating, and that means that will be a potential customer for you because it's a direct lead, okay? Now that's very cool feature, that's very unique. Now let's do one thing. Let's watch the video first, how this plugin is going to work on your website. So I'll shut myself, I'll be quiet for a couple of minutes, and let's watch this video, and then we'll come back.
Okay, so how does TextConnector work? Now imagine that you are a business like Magellan Chiropractic, or a real estate office, or a dentist office, or a gym, or a restaurant, whatever you happen to have, and you are driving people to the site. Now, people come to the site every day to check the hours, to get a little more information here and there, but so often, week in and week out, you've got people that come to the site and they read up and they have a few extra questions. And giving them this button here, this got a question, text Dr. Magellan, something that is very human, very relatable. When you have this, something important happens. So you can see that it scrolls down the page as we go through, and it just sort of lives there. But this gives people an instant way to talk to the business, and we make it easy. So watch what happens when I actually click this. When I click it, it's going to actually open up my text message box, and it says, hey, this is Samantha from Dr. Magellan's office. What can we help you with today? And then it says in parentheses, delete this text and type in your question and click send. So it gives them instructions on what to do. And it's a nice little greeting. Now this is all easily set up inside of the WordPress backend in the plugin. It's a one-page setting, nothing complicated. But when we send this, something very interesting happens. When we send this, it lands in the phone of the person who is in charge of getting messages at the office or business so that they can instantly text back from their phone. And so you get this instant interaction. And what we do is we go through a small training with each of our businesses that we use this with. We train the person that's got the phone that asks this stuff. And real quickly, they start learning how to turn this text message, all these little questions that come in by text message on the website through that button that you saw right here. We teach them very quickly how to start converting that into sales. And so really within the first week, this simple little message that we program in with this simple WordPress plugin, all which we teach inside of the program that comes with TextConnector, we start to see businesses converting more casual website browsers into clients, customers, all the way through. And what's even better, it's a nice way for existing customers to get their questions answered and to come back even more often. So that's how it works. Hopefully that makes sense. Nothing complicated here, but we made something that could be complicated very, very easy. And that's what TextConnector is all about. I hope that you enjoyed the demo and this makes sense.
All right, so you got the demo and this is how it works. So there's nothing much to explain. So this is how it's gonna help you to gain more sales once you use this plugin on your website. And they will teach you everything one by one so that you can implement this plugin correctly on your website and what kind of messages to display. So they got 4 modules here you will go through, and once eventually you have learned all the techniques, then possibly your visitors will turn into paying customers, and that's what you want. That's everybody needs, right? So you want people not just to visit your website, but you want them to be your long-time customers too. So this is how you will utilize this plugin to earn or to get some sales. And this is definitely a good plugin, I would say, because I have not seen such plugin before where you can actually start getting text messages from the customer directly on your phone. And this is very good for your business. And what I'll do is, if you want to grab the copy of this software or of this plugin, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and grab your copy before they change the price, because right now it is coming on one-time price. And if you don't grab it right now, you might be, the price might go to subscription, monthly subscription too. So just grab your copy, and thank you for watching this video. We'll end this review for now. Do subscribe to the channel. We'll see you with another review shortly.